3, 2, 1, action.
Sanibonani bafethu, greetings lapha emakhaya, igama Sipho Hatebe. You know, you are now locked in and tuned in to Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show. Bafethu, you are welcome. You are welcome. Yeah, this is the time, this is the moment that you've been waiting for, that you've been eagerly waiting for. It has arrived, it has come, it's in the space. Yeah, lapha enkhona bafethu, free Wi-Fi spot, bafethu, yabona ama whatever, Wi-Fi, ama data, nama-datarizer. Siyabonga bafethu ukuthi nikhethe thina, nathi sinikhethile. Asazi iy'bhoko zisikhethene zasihlanganisa, asazi bafethu, mara khona nje ithi sikhetha nani, thanda nani. Hey, bafethu, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification button bafethu. Yeah. And yeah, just share our stories. Let us know what you think, bafethu. This is Soweto Podcast. Yeah, machita sekas bafethu as panela ya pushing pilo. Yeah, with the good and right content that you guys love and you are supporting. So yeah, bafethu siyabonga. Once again, I'd like to say welcome, guys. Niyamkelekile. Sawubona siswami kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
All right.
Ngiyaphila.
Sure. Yeah. Uzile namhlanje ku Soweto Podcast. Ulethwe yini siswami ku Soweto Podcast?
Ibhoyi.
Ulethwe yini?
Ibhogi.
Ngithi boy. I'm like, what? Boy.
Ibhogi.
All right, Angel, please let us know ukuthi ubani uphuma kuphi, ukhula nabo bani, ukhula kanjani sithando sami. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, hello, my name is Mobile Mahlangu and I am from Tembisa.
Okay.
Yeah, so yes, I grew up in Tembisa and then moved to Springs, then came back to Tembisa.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, ngikhule kahle. I cannot complain about anything. I grew up with both my parents, but my dad passed away. So, yeah, I grew up ekhaya now with family, both parents and my siblings.
Umntwana onjani masakhona?
Ngumntwana oright, othanda isonto, nasekhaya plus bathanda isonto, ngithanda isikolo.
Okay.
Yeah, but nginenkani.
Hayibo.
So, yeah.
Okay. No, I like your honesty. Okay. Mahlangu, usivakashele today. Let us say why you're here.
Yo, so Ibhogo, it's real, guys.
Yeah.
Ibhogo, it's real. And I feel like you'll never understand the situation until you go through. The reason why I said ekuqaleni nginenkani, it's because like I was in denial. Nami ukuthi Ibhogo is khona. So this is what happened. When I was in grade 3, I moved to Springs, ngahlala nogogo wami.
Okay.
So mangihlala nogogo wami, ngihlala nogogo wami and my other cousins. So mahlala with other cousins, ngize nomngani nomntana womngani kamama sihlala naye in Springs. We go to the same school. I'm in grade 3, she's in grade 1 at the time. So what happened is, angithi now my grandfather passed away, sihlala nogogo. So ugogo nabazukulu bakhe. So first night masolala sibuya eTembisa size eSprings sizolala for the first time with N, I'll just name her N, which is umntwana wefriend yaka mama. She's in grade 1 yena at the time. So siyalala ebusuku khaya kugcwele mos abazukulu sibaningi silala phansi. So while we were sleeping at that time, it's in the middle of the night, sizwe ivoice yendoda. Futhi izwiwa yimi, because I'm sleeping next to N. Silele soyi-2, duze nasefasitereni. Umuntu uthi ubani lo? And the N keeps on saying, yimi mkhulu. And she's so threatened, like, uthukile. Yimi mkhulu. Ubani lo? I persist, mkhulu, yimi mkhulu. Ugogo wami uyavuka, yini, kwenze njani? Umkhulu uyangibuza ukuthi ngubani? Umkhulu nguphi? So describe umkhulu wami vele. Umkhulu unentshebe emhlophe, nokumnyama, unempandla. Udescribe yena. So ugogo wami athi, hayi, uzoba right, silale that night. How the following night again, the same thing happens. Iyenzeka kaningi until my grandmother was like, abiza abantu besontezayo ekhaya, abiza abantu basesontweni bayenza isiguqo, kube nesiguqo ekhaya, ugogo wami acelele u-N and then
Almost.
ukuthi uzohlala nathi and then everything yaba right at that time. Mind you, I'm in grade 3. Grade 4 I moved back home with u-N. Sibuyela kuphi ekhaya eThembisa. So manje sengihlala nomamami u-N ekibo seba right ubuyele kibo uhlala just with my mom phela si2 endlini. So mangihlala nomamami kaso shiyamanye cousin wethu le eSprings. One of my closest cousin passed away. Uyazibulala uyazihenga. Okay, to cut the long story short, after sekasihengile ngisho ushonile simngcwabile sharp I si right. Ngibuyile mina manje ekhaya ngihlala eThembisa. And manje ngibhorwa isonto lasekhaya ngoba isonto lasekhaya lipheli singena ngo11 siyobuya ngabo 6. Yo, leso sikhathi sokuthi sesontweni that time si3 si6 si few ngibhorekile ukuthi kanti what's taking so long. So I then decided to join isonto labangani bami labazalwane. I told my mom, mama uyavuma vela kanandaba nami ukuthi as long as uye esontweni ngisonta nabazalwane manje and ingqondo yami seyiqala ukucabanga noku-acta the way abazalwane ba-acta ngakhona. I'm in grade 4. I moved to grade 5 now. I moved to grade 6. Ngumzalwane ngiloku ngiphusha ivangeli guys esikoleni. I'm the one motivating people to go attend ama-Bible sessions, yimo motivate abantwana ukuthi nje basiphathe kahle. I'm that holy girl at church. Mind you ngisese primary. One time I come back from school, I see my cousin, he's dead. Simngcwabile kudala. Ngiyambona umile like leaning against the wall and either way bekathanda ukuma ngakhona.
Oh, yichite umuntu okhona.
Yes. Yo. Ngithuke mangithi ngiyabheka futhi angisamboni. Ngibambekile ngihamba nabantwana besikolo sigcwele nabangani bami siyawalka. Ngibe distracted and I don't remember really what happened, but one of my friends was like, "Right, ngobile." Ngithi yo, yeah, right. Ngiyahamba ngendlini. Ngiyafika endlini ngiyathandaza phela I'm standing by no weapon is formed against me shall prosper. And nginenkani ngithi maybe ngimbonanga lo muntu akusuwi. Hayi ngiyalala ebusuku mangithi ngiyalala ebusuku sengiyamphupha manje. Ngivuke ngithandaze ngithi nje asikho spoke ngizosibona la ngizilelele ebusuku. And manje ngisho ngisambona ngimboneka yi1 life. Manje sesekangilanda emaphupheni manje. Yo, hayi one night ngilele vele ekhaya mama bekangafuni ukuthi sibeke izinto like on the wall. So ngafoster mina ngabeka uBeyonce wami ebondeni ayi1 emamagazini wakudala, like the middle page used to be like a picture of one icon yana. Yeah, so mina bengithanda uBeyonce ngimthathe ngimbeke lapha ebondeni. So mama is sleeping in her room, I'm sleeping in my room. Mangithi nakhona in the middle of the night ngiyavuka ebusuku ngithukile mangivuka ngimbona uphuma lapha kuBeyonce and uBeyonce bekathandwa ukuye sonke amakhazini wami si influence uyi ukuthi sithanda uBeyonce siyamthanda uBeyonce big time. Yo manje mangithi ngiyabheka lapha sengithukile ngigijima ngabe ngiyovusa umama ngobile yini ebusuku silele mama I mentioned my cousin's name. Uthi kimi hayi awungeke sozongithini inguthi it's not the first time I tell her ngalendaba ukuthi ngiloku ngiphupha umuntu oso ende ngimbonile. Umama mathi ayikho le nto le. Ubulawe ubani wayezobona you and ngithukile ukuthi nyawa.
So sharp ne? Okay.
Ngithukile ukuthi ngiyambona lo muntu and manje akangithemba umama mangimtshela endlini ngizoyenza kanjani sengihlala ngithukile manje ngiyahamba ngimeke vele umama ngiqhubeke ngifike ngitshela abantu base Bible study esikoleni bangikhulekise abantu basesikoleni bangikhulekise. Then I go back home and manje sengihamba nale courage ukuthi ngize ngamanye amandla manje. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Ngibeli taxi, it's after school I go home. Ngise taxini back in the days eThembisa bekurenka ama-venture. Ngise ventsheni phakathi eventsheni ngihleli in the seat le ekwi-middle. So ngapha the driver and the other passengers. And then ngapha kumele kube nabanye abantu. Angibanakanga mos ngizingenele eTaxini, ngene eTaxini ngiyahlala. eTaxini imali mos isindlulisa so.
Ngizumuntu.
I am 12. I'm in grade 6.
Okay.
Ngizumuntu uthi mangithi uye futhi lo muntu eTaxini. Ngithukile ngiyatatazela angizazi ngubani igama lami. Angazi nokuthi I remember futhi that day itaxi bekuyi 6 rand ngaphuma eTaxini ngayibhadalanga leyo 6 rand no driver sekangibuza ukuthi sisi kanti uyehlaphi sifikile eView. Ngithukile indlela yonke yokusuka lapho engimbone khona until lapho. Ngithukile mangiyehle eTaxini mara kunamuntu emuva. Akekho. Okay. Yandlula leyo. Ngiloko ngiyamphupha lo muntu ngiyamtshela umama hayi mama nayo unenkani efana neyami uthi ayikho nje leyo nto leyo wena ilamasonto wakho wahambayo yabona manje sonamadimoni. Sengithukile manje ukuthi umuntu engithemba ukuthi uye manje ozongirescue she's not taking me serious. One day I decide ukuthi mangibuye esontweni mangibuye esikolweni ngoyehle esontweni lakhe ngo-explainela umamfundisi wakhe ngoba manje ngikhuluma naye aka-understand. Hambe vele ngehle esontweni ngikhulume nogogo ngimtshele ngithulule vele konke ngimtshele angibuza ugogo so lesa sikhathi ikhazini yakhe ishona uhambile wayombona eboxini ini ngamtshela ngathi ayazange ize ngiyikombona ngile ekamereni but azange ize ngimbheke. Maqeda athi it's fine uzokhuluma nomamakho. Ugogo ngiyabona ukuthi isikhathi phela siyahamba and ngiloku ngiyamphupha ngize ngithi mama ngicela ukulala nawe ngikhumbula wagcina sekavuma ukuthi ngilale naye ekamereni so she didn't want to share a bed with me because athi ngizomlalisa kabuhlungu. So ngidlala phansi ngishiya umbhedo wami because manje ngiyasaba ukuthi ngale but still noma sengidlale la ngimphupha ngiloku ngilele naye la and ngiyamphupha ngapha ngiyambona hayi vele ngishaya indiva ngithi hayi it's fine as long as umama makhona la I'd literally have sleepless nights ngingalali because ngiyacabanga ngiyambona ngiyamphupha. Okay sharp. This one time you see this is when my mom took it serious. Ngiyahamba ngiyesikolweni ngibuye esikolweni ngiyehle eTaxini mangiyehle eTaxini like where I get off unomuntu othengisa amatamati lapho yabo so ngiyawalka ngiyahamba ngendlini so ekhaya isikhiya besisibeka because yimbe ngibuya kuqala so umama mbeka phuma late after mina ekuseni so bekangishiyela isikhiya somewhere phakathi ejardini so I have to walk ngiye ngale emuva la sisibeka khona so mangibuya kolanda isikhiya like indla sekhaya yinde ne angisho isikhiya sisemuva so it's like a walking distance elingana mhlawumbe from la to the gate. Ngiyawalka from la masengila ngizwa intithi like footsteps ne and mina I'm walking on the pavement but this person is walking estupini ngithi mara ngibuye emuva mos angibonanga umuntu sengithukile mangithi ngibheke emuva nangu lo muntu uthi ungabaleki uyangigijimisa ngaphuma ekhaya kuse-main road ngaphuma cishe ngichayiswa imoto ngize like ngigijinyelwa yilo mama uthengisa yilabantu abathengisa amatamati bahamba ukuthi kwenze njani sengishiya igate livuliwe ngahlala lapha ematamatini until my mom came back from work past 6 mina since ngibe esikolweni ngabo past 2 umama makafika naye akangibuza ukuthi ngobile wayehle uyathetha uniform ngalesikhathi yo ngithi lo muntu lo aka understanding I'm frustrated ukuthi ngiceda ukubona lento engiqeda ukuyibona ngithukile ngihlele estradeni uyangithethisa igate licancel isikhiya sona yo ngithethisa phambi kwabantu and I just want to explain but I can't because manje le energy engayo manje ngimeke vele masingena uyabona ukuthi hayibo isikhiya silahlele la phansi mangangena umuntu la athatha isikhiya avule endlini agqekeze kuzoyenzakala imtshele ngibone ukuthi ngikhale ukuthi angikhona ukukhuluma and ekudala ngimtshela ngikhali inyembezi ngikhali ngathi mangiceda ukukhala wafonela my sister from umntana kamamkhulu wami makafonela my sister usisi wami athi yo phela nala endlini ukhazini kaNqobile it's going through the same thing hayibo makafonela umama wakhe ugogwami eSprings ugogwami athi luze wathutha la endlini sorry to mention people's names please cut that off athuze wathutha la endlini abalekela lo muntu lo yo So I don't know what happened after then. They discussed as abantu abadala bese ke bazosenzela umsebenzi sahamba saya ethuneni lakhe sabuya, and then after then it was just peace. And then ngithi that's when I thought ukuthi hayi ngindlulile indaba yesibongo ngeke ngiphinde ngisibone isibongo.
Sicela ukuphuza amanzi.
Sabuya ke manje round 2. Ngimdala manje 2022. So 2022, I go to Eastern Cape with my best friend at the time. We come back. Sihamba for iviki lonke sijabulile kumnandi mas road trip siyabuya. Hayi masibuya. Ngithi mina it's fine. Ithi ngilalela kini ngizohamba kusasa ngoba ngikhathele vele sonke sikhathele. The way sikhathele ngakhona masihlala phansi siyatipa like literally siyalala. So athi it's fine. Since lela kamero lela ikamero la kamamam no babam. Sisizolala ngapha kule kamero leli yabona mara engqondweni yami angizibuza ukuthi kanti wena mngani ungayikoqasha uhlale uyi1 mara ekini kunama kamero a extra angaka. I was just like hey maybe ufuna ispace sakhe angangitshela ukuthi why hayi sharp siyalala ebusuku hayi sisalile ebusuku and ngikhathele to a point yabo mawukhathele uphupha kabi uyavuka uphaphame bese uphinda ulale futhi hayi this time ngilele ngiyaphaphama mangiphaphama ngoba phela ngibona umuntu la umile iphoyisa yo ngithe indoda iphoyisa athi hayi ngobile ulibona phi iphoyisa ngithi phoyisa ngithi manje wayi wena ungathukanga umbondle umuntu athi muphi athi ayilala man uzoba right. Ngithuke ngithandaze ngilali ekseni masivuka avuke kuqala ngishiye kamereni makangishiye kamereni ngiyandlula ngilungisa umbhede ngivula iwardrobe mangivula iwardrobe le phoyisa bengilibona ngibona iuniform yakhe manje iuniform yamaphoyisa hayi manje ngiyambuza ngithi endoda phela ngibona iphoyisa izolo ubandle phoyisa engibonile izolo asho ke ukuthi hayi phela lendlu le masithenga nami the reason why ngibalekile la it's because ngisaba le phoyisa nami since lendlu le sayithenga le phoyisa leli behlala la kulendlu le balidubulela la so ngimbuza ukuthi mara ke iuniform yakhe enhlangana phi nina nayo athi kimi hayi phela lo muntu lo bekubhudi ka lo baba lo hlala babakhe phela lo hlala lapha so that's why izinto zakhe zila even now indlaba kayichange isabiza yena and all that and I was just like isiboko nkosi yami so ushonile lo muntu lo besimbona so apparently njalo makulela umuntu kulela kamera lakhe vele mawulula uyambona vele
uphoyisa
loyo
bamdubulele khona in that room.
Yes.
So your friend ran away because of that and she didn't tell you. Okay.
So ngimbuza ukuthi did you guys do anything like cleansing the house after athi kunini dala but still namanje
So lapho bakhona ba accepted ukuthi hayi phoyisa hlala la.
Okay, Ngobs, due to maybe the sensitivity of the fear of the ghost, this happened in 2022. Ne? So 2025. So tracing back the fear, have you gone over the fear? Are you strong now? Are you, from the scale of 1 to 10, in terms of you outgrowing the fear and everything, where do you scale yourself?
Well, I'd literally scale myself 8 because manje I understand ukuthi like kunabanye abantu abashonayo bese bayathetshulwa bese bayasetshenziswa and then kunabanye abantu abashonayo asikakafiki isikhathi sabo imoya yabo it's all around yavunguvunguza so I think manje and the fact that angisazi like angisaziboni the way bengizibona ngakhona and to I think to especially my family it was a fear ngoba bebaqala ukuzwa bathi umuntu ubona isiboko and usibona live so hayi ukuthi phela ngiyaphupha ngiyakubona bengimbona the way ngibona ngakhona.
My reason is this one, Ngomza. That cousin brother yakho. Yeah. When so that was the last encounter that you had. That was the
Yes,
last time.
Literally the last time.
Did you like your cousin?
A lot.
I'm trying to put the dots together.
A lot.
The reason why, but now what is fun is that he was tormenting all
So maybe if some of my cousins obviously gonna view, bazobona nabo bakhomente basho sonke. And I mean I'm glad ukuthi isiyenze sonke because at that time kuba zange yasenza sonke maybe mama bekazoloka athe ile sonto lakho.
And he wasn't violent or anything along those lines.
Not even.
Bekafunani like you.
Mina ngihlezi ngisho ngithi I've never encountered isipogo esi-violent esilwayo or anything. Ngiyababona nje just bangithuse. The only time he uttered a word was when lesa sikhatha ngigijimisa. Ungabaleki phela. Akaze like yeza kimi axoxa indaba ukuthi 1 2 3 and 4 no.
Fred.
Okay, I see. Njengoba cousin brother yakho benibona nibaningi. Nike nahlala phansi nonke nithi asi mina ngibona agcoka into so or was it the same outfit bekahlezi agcokile le nibona nonke?
Yeah. No, not even. I don't remember discussing ngokuthi bekagcokeni. Yimi kuphela ngabatshela ukuthi mina ngimbone agcoka ibrule skole eligrey neshirt elimhlophe of which vele wazibulala agcoke zona. But abanye which is my other cousins laba bebasekhaya yena uthi bekamuzwa amdonsa isandla asidonsa like asidonsa efastereni siphuma asidonsa akhala adonsa ugogo wami so ugogo wami uye like naye I think was also part of because bekakhona when my cousin bamdonsa isandla gogo wami wakadonsa cousin wami until my gogo wami wamwina.
Daughter, do you guys live in the double school?
No.
Oh, daughter.
Efastereni like yes.
I'm saying
Sure. Maybe bazoza bazoxoxa izitori zabo phela ezabo lezi.
Umdonsa like through the window.
Yes,
like literally.
yes.
Adonseke so.
Yes. Yo.
Okay. What did mom say eventually?
Mama azange azasho next as azange azasho next after.
Ngiyaxolisa mntanami. Yazi ngiyabona ukuthi I was wrong. I took it light. Never.
She just bayenza well after sekakhulumile nabantu abadala wangitshela ke ukuthi yo phela uzibani bana kahluphiwe nakuphela athi yena bekacabanga ukuthi mina ngine drama ile sonto lami. I think into beyisilisa at that time it's the church bengithanda ukuya kuyo.
She didn't approve kahle of you going to the church.
Yeah.
Noma avumile but
Noma avumile mara.
Yeah. But how did you see him again after kwenza umsebenzi? Did you make sense of that ukuthi uba for school boy manje ufunani?
Kuphi?
School boy makabuya second time. Angithi after nenza umsebenzi. As you said ukuthi he reappeared again before uSachen Lilo ubona uSachen.
No. Mangimbona it was before senza umsebenzi. After senza umsebenzi
angizange. So uSachen lo ombone.
uSachen ngimbone after.
So your auntie Bonje, I think I forgot. Balekile like end ushiyile.
Yeah, uhambile uqale washiya ne wahamba wayoqasha in the same neighborhood ne kanti kwahamba bedi ke lapho ne and then that's when she moved to Mpumalanga completely. As we speak right now she resides in Mpumalanga.
So similarly even on the same neighborhood umlandele lapho bekakho.
Yes, just that ukuthi manje angazi ukuthi like kwayenzakalani because we're not as close as we used to then.
So it must be very bad in order for her to die. I'm leaving this house.
Havitipo. Ditlabonsa spoke.
Yeah, and then I think nami it was one of those things ukuthi angithi wena awuthembi ukuthi ngithi wena amadlozi amadimoni ngithi wena abantu abafile bafile because also I was in denial. Mengithi angimboni mara ngiyambona emaphupheni ngiyamphupha until that one time azophuma uBeyonce laphaya. nakhona I think kuba angiphuma ngale energy engiphume ngayo ngekamereni la kamamami still bekangekaza ngibelieve nakhona ya understand ukuthi ngiyaya mara still akekho lapho uthi lala and ungengalali la empedeni wami zongilalisa kabuhlungu so ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele ngilande ingubo ngozilanda kwelinye ikamera what if ngihlangane naye ngisathi ngiyaphuma
Red la kungobe ana chill nale mama mara
Uzana asolesizo zakhe kuhlungu kodwa amadini wakho kanje what did she
like she meant it in a way that like ngiyahlupa and ngapha ngifuna mina vele angikwazi ukulala so bekangafuni ukulala nami embedeni so why ngishiye umbhedo wami ngizolala naye la
atune drum
yeah athi ne drum ukuphupha kunormal khona one time la ngizomtshela ile lalanga le it was before Beyonce athi kimi kanti ubulawe uwe lo muntu lo ubulawe kanti why wena njalo yo ngithi yo mama
you're 12 years at that time
ngimncane ngaleso sikhathi kakhulu
how did it affect you at school
yo it's a pity my late teacher akasekho she was the one who used to remind me about the things athi phela wena ngobile bo traumatized cousin yakho
and it would show on the results with that
it will show everywhere ngithukile makucala ukuthi after school khona yo phela ngiyacabanga ukuthi lesikhathi engiyoba yi1 ngase kuzoyenzakalani endleleni mangihamba futhi ngibuyela ekhaya what if ngiyambona and why ngilokhu ngimbona ngoba ushonile lo muntu and at that time I'm deep at church they saying there's no such awumboni uyamcabanga and mara ngiyambona ngithi labantu ukuthi ngisuke ngekho nami ngiyambona lo muntu lo
but ambona mcabanga
that's why uyamcabanga
Frezo
since you said ukuthi nibheke kuma-ghost afterwards sekwenzakala lama-paranormal shows man so I want to know ukuthi did you guys go to maybe a traditional something to just find help because in such instances if sekwenzakala nama-action phakathi ukuthi manje sekuba nama-scenes that's too much did you guys maybe go to seek help or you guys went straight to church did maybe a church help you or
well, I would be lying if I say I know the arrangements of what really happened, but mina ngikhumbula nje sekunesiguqo ekhaya sithandazwa the whole night. The following morning we went a graveyard yaga my late cousin, then we came back sekuyadliwa, then that was it. I really don't remember la maybe because also sonto ezayo nimo sisonto likamoya like yabo so
what if by vele on pause maybe we wanna after
ayibo yebut
kenzeka ngithi ukuthi bayakuvala then kuya after
abavala ngayo abavala umuntu
no but I need to well according to abantu abadala because uthathele umphefumulo wakhe so bebangakamamukeli on the other side lapho fanele aye khona so mekumele bayomshwelezela in a way to ask them ukuthi bamamukele ahlale nabantu abangasekho or ahlale emadlozini wakibo I don't know but yeah something like that
was a good boy
he was
is it
he was
and the reason behind no one knows
well, I don't want to dive deep in it, but yeah, it's deep.
Okay. You know, I'm having this picture.
Bega ku grade 11 at the time in.
Bega lighting ebal.
Yes.
No, I'm not prophesying. I'm having this image in my head. Ushay ilona iskooner seskela and the trouser ne. Bega ngafaki istrachel.
What's that?
Istrachel epini.
No, shame. He was Meguyilabantwana mana ba right nasesikolweni abo basiphethe kahle abangathandi like ama fashion wasesikolweni. He was just
quiet as well.
Quite very quiet but very naughty. You see the things asiyenza zona emaphupheni. It's the things he used to do vele in real life just to spite you. Maybe for example, umkhulu wami bekathanda ukuthi athenge cold drink 2 liter ne. Bese ayimake, ayiphuze, bese ayimake like permanent marker. Ayishiye la. They say my cousin would influence all of us to drink the cold drink and add water. And when we add water, swashia la. ne. So he was like that, like bega tusa, like bega matini. In our culture sithi ukuterehana angazi yini.
Umuntu amajoke esikhathini esiningi.
Yes. Yeah.
Umuntu amahlaya.
Yeah.
He was that guy.
He was that guy.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's just so unfortunate. But sometimes you lose such good souls, Bafet. Maybe it was the pressure, yes, girl, or whatever the case.
It was the pressure, yes. Nabantu abadala now.
Yeah. But uthanda drama noso.
Yo.
Uthanda drama vele.
Not even. Nginenkani. So maybe for example, uyabona ngalesa sikhathi lesiya njengoba ngithe mina mina ngingathembi ukuthi isipoko sikhona futhi I didn't care about ipoko namadlozi at that time because I mean and you're not going to convince me otherwise ukuthi ini ikhona or iyayenza if mina engqondweni yami sengithe angiyenzi leyo nto leyo ngeza ukukhulume ngizokulalela but I'm not going to do it. So my mom maybe thought ngifuna ukulala naye ngenkani at that time. Kanti hayi ngiyazigowela mina ngizibonela lo muntu engimbonayo.
Hey, Bafethu. Yeah, Bafethu. Yeah, no, it is what it is, man. Such is life. Yeah. But this Bogana Guti, the hands I was asking Guti, the scale of from 10 to 8 in terms of you recovering. You know, if there's one thing that I know and understand is that fear is the deepest enemy for anyone or for anything. So once you overcome fear, I can tell you this with me. Fear, I've seen how much it can cripple impilo yomuntu and just put you in a box where you can never ever do anything. Mangathi siponyasaba ngivele nkwathe nje ukuthi yabo leyo ikhuluma uduthi. Siyavuka manje ngo-12 sihamba siyalala kuntanga siyofuna inkawuza sifuna ukubhema sifuna izolo siyankawuza asiqeda siyalala so mawuzothi ngiyasaba ngibona ngathi ntwana angibuyisele emuva bafethu lapha emakhaya siyabonga man siyabonga. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much guys for choosing us. Thank you for loving us guys and sharing the stories. Don't forget once again, like, subscribe, hit the notification button bafethu. Yeah, no, kidipuko bafethu. I just can't forget about this to discuss this movie. So Bafethu siyabonga once again guys, siyabonga. Thank you a million times. Thank you a million times guys. We really appreciate you. We appreciate all the efforts that you bring to Sotepuka. Bafethu, please, let's love one another. Let each one teach one. Bafethu thanda umakhelwane akho njengoba sithanda. Super Podcast, we love you guys. Ayoba. Thank you siyabonga.
Ayoba.